Hey everybody, it's Mr. Capcom, and this is my review of the power bank case for the S3. And I want to give a special shout out to MobileFun.com. They're the guys that actually provided me with this to do this review. And I just want to go ahead and tell you guys I used this for a week, and I had a couple of things. So first, I'm gonna go with the pros. It's real thin. I love the feel of it. I didn't mention this before. Actually, no, it wasn't that. It does have a micro USB port here at the bottom, which is pretty cool. One good thing and bad thing is that it has this kickstand right here that is a pain to get out. Okay. Whereas it does work fine, it's really flimsy and it's kind of thin. It can probably break not only from this right here, but from the hinge itself. Camera ports is okay. I didn't have an issue with that. One thing I did find is that when this charges now, for example, say you're using this and you have it at you have the actual kickstand on it, and you leave your phone charging at night, right? If this is on, let's say this is actually powering your phone to charge, because you know this doesn't have a pass through where you can plug the phone in and it charges through here. You have to charge this guy first, the actual case, and then turn this on and it charges your phone. Now, the problem is, you probably can see it's extremely bright. Now, I mean, granted, yeah, maybe you could put some film over it to dim the light a little bit, but the LEDs in this thing is bright. Like, you can even see it's coming through the charge port. We got some light bleed going on there. And it's just really, really kind of a pain. And so you would sit there and let it pop in, let everything work. And, you know, that being bright, you know, it does alert you, but like I said, it's extremely bright. So turn that off. The one thing, like I said, it doesn't have pass-through, so for this to actually work, and you put the phone in there, kind of like this on an angle, which is kind of cool. That's kind of a pro to me. Pop that in, and it's in. But for it to start charging, you have to turn this thing on. And then, let me see, there you go. And you see it's actually charging right there. Now, where that is cool, if this is dead, say it's at 1%, and you want to charge this, you have to plug this in. It will not charge your phone, so you have to turn it off. Now, the other bad thing that I didn't like about this is that when it's charging, the phone gets extremely hot. Not enough to burn your skin or anything like that, but enough for me to cause concern and say, okay, you know, what's going on. That is an issue. Not really sure how to fix that, but you know, maybe just charge it off of the phone, and then whenever you need it, then plug it in. Other than that, I mean, I didn't find anything else wrong with the case. I mean, it really lasts long. The charge was really good. One other thing that I did notice is that when the battery pack is on, my Wi-Fi signal goes down. I tried using the app that measured the actual strength of the signal, and I don't have it right now to test it, but turning it on, my wireless signal would go down. I don't know if it'll do it here, but the actual speed would have an issue. And I noticed because I'm on T-Mobile or HSPA Plus, my signal would be bad and my data rates would, you know, actually be bad when I turned this thing on versus actually having it off. Not sure if it's interference with the actual case or whatever, but this particular unit I had that issue with. So other than that, I mean, it is nice. The price was about, I think it was $43. For that price, you know, it's pretty cool. It's nice. It does charge your phone. I would recommend not to have this thing on, you know, unless you really, really need it. Like maybe it's down to like, you know, 50 or something like that, and you want to charge it up and you don't have it in your pocket or whatever, it's fine. But, you know, if it's in your pocket, you're going to have some heat issues, and it'll take a little bit for it to charge. But other than that, I did like it. I would say it's hit or miss on if I would recommend it. I mean, I definitely liked it as far as with this review unit, but that's up to you guys. So go ahead and check it out, and I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to hit up Mobile Fun. Hit me up on Twitter, Android Pop, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.